Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. Okay, I had a friend tell me that I should get on camera more often, so here I am. Okay, I don't do it all the time, but because I criticize myself all the time. My hair, my makeup, whatever. Anyway, so I'm on camera. We're gonna make a peach cobbler, and it's going to be a small batch. Perfect for like 2 or 3 people. I like that, okay? Because usually it's in this 9x13. I have a pan, okay, this is a saucepan. It's cold, okay, it's cold. I haven't put the fire on. I have a 15-ounce can of peaches with heavy syrup. Okay, so I'm gonna put them in here with the syrup. Okay. I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of cornstarch while it's cold, okay, because if it was hot, it's probably gonna end up being kind of lumpy. Okay, so I'm gonna mix this up. Okay, so now it has my cornstarch. Okay, now I'm gonna turn on the fire and I'm gonna start letting it get warmed up. Okay, at this point I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of brown sugar and a 1/4 cup of white sugar. And I'm gonna mix it, keep mixing it. I'm gonna add a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla and a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. And I'm just gonna mix all this together. Mix it until it starts to bubble, till it starts to get nice and hot, and it'll start to get thick because of the cornstarch. Okay, so we're gonna let that do its thing for right now. So the first thing you're going to do is get a 1/2 stick of butter, 4 tablespoons. And right here I have, this is an 8x8 pan. What I'm gonna do is I have a 350-degree oven that's nice and hot, it's waiting. I'm gonna put this in until all the butter melts, okay? Okay, so while my peaches are coming up to a bubble, I'm gonna make my crust. This is 1/2 cup of regular white flour, just all-purpose flour. This is a 1/2 cup of whole milk. And this is baking powder. Okay, this is a 1/2 teaspoon. And I'm gonna mix that together. Simple, simple. Okay, and that's the crust. Oh, I'm gonna add a little pinch of salt as well. Okay, so here we go. Okay, and that's the crust. Look at that. That's it. Okay, my peaches are done. I'm sure my butter is melted, so let's get that out of the oven. Okay, so the way this works, I have my 8x8 pan. I have a melted 1/2 stick of butter, 4 ounces. Now I'm gonna add my crust on top. I'm just gonna kind of put it all over right here. Believe it or not, this crust is gonna rise to the top. Okay, I'm gonna use this thing. Okay, so I'm gonna put that all over the top. Okay. Now I'm going to get my peaches and I'm going to put them on top. Pour this on top. Okay. And you don't mix it. Don't stir it up or anything, because that crust is going to come up and it's going to form on top. It's lovely. Okay, so now we're going to put this in the oven, 350 degrees for 30 minutes. Okay. Okay, you guys, the hardest part about this whole thing, getting on camera like this, it's really hard to get the right angles because I want to show you what I'm doing. Here's my peach cobbler. Okay, let me show you. It came out really, really nice. Look at this. Beautiful. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on a plate and I'm going to get a big scoop of ice cream to show you guys. Very nice, very nice. So, and it's a small amount, which is really nice, really good. Okay, so let me plate it up for you. Okie dokie. Here's my peach cobbler, and it's still nice and warm. And I'm gonna add a nice scoop of ice cream on top. Look at this. This is beautiful and very tasty. I forgot my fork. Okay, I have my fork. All right, let me see. This came out good, and it's half a recipe. Okay. Very tasty. Oh, good. A cinnamon, the vanilla. Tastes just like my other ones, but it's just a smaller version. Very good. Okay, so this is my half batch peach cobbler. I forgot what I was making. Half batch peach cobbler. Okay, so the other thing I want to ask, I want you guys to tell me what you think about this one-on-one, more personal way of making my videos. Usually I'm short, sweet, to the point. You're only looking at the actual video, the food. You're only looking at the food, and I'm just saying it, pause, keep going, and it's a lot shorter of a video, but it's not as personable. Once in a blue moon, I will get myself at the end, trying to get myself a little bit in these videos, but I feel like we're family, and so, you know, just wanting to know what you think. Should I do it this way a little more often, or just the shorter, quicker versions of these recipes? Let me know. Anyway, but this comes out really, really good, okay? Small batch peach cobbler. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.